Well, as for those sites that are open, they are seeing really high demand. We're at UW's site over in Soto, and we're seeing a lot of people who are lined up over to get tests here. They're just on to the last few appointments of the day, and those appointments are booked. In fact, you're going to have kind of a tough time finding an appointment throughout the King County area because of that high demand. Even though there were some sites that were open in Seattle today, many of them in cities across King County were closed, and same goes for the whole area of Western Washington.
At what's normally a high-traffic test site in Bellevue, we found no swabs or face shields, only snow-frosted trees, a bunch of birds, and Jenny's son hoping for reassurance.
I just came back from New York and I want to be safe before I go to the public places and get together with my friends.
She doesn't have symptoms, she just wants to play it safe. But on her first stop, she was out of luck.
This is my first time. I just look on the Google map and I find it here.
Normally, this testing site at Bellevue College would be packed with cars on top and bottom floors of this parking garage. But today, all we're seeing on site is security, empty space, and this, a whole lot of snow.
This view is familiar across our area. Public Health and UW closed locations in Federal Way, Tukwila, Kent, Ballard, and Rainier Beach, to name a few today. And it wasn't just King County. Snohomish Health District says its clinics will close for the rest of the week, with more winter weather ahead. Sites that were open saw steady traffic. This location in Renton, giving tests until 3:30, was booked up online through at least tomorrow. And Sky King caught video of lines in Lakewood and Tacoma. Sun still plans to get tested somewhere else and looked up other options after striking out in Bellevue.
I think it's responsible for myself and for others, and we just want to make sure that the virus is not spreaded when we get together for parties.
But available appointments may be tough to come by until Western Washington thaws out.
And more sites should be open tomorrow, but you're going to want to check ahead of time and see online. You're also most likely going to want to make an appointment. Now, King County is asking that anyone who has a primary health provider or a pharmacy you normally go to, try to get your test there first before going to one of these free testing sites. They're really going to also be prioritizing people who have symptoms or a confirmed exposure. And of course, you can also try to get one of those at-home tests, but as we've reported, those too can be really difficult to come by. In Seattle, Erica Zucco, King 5 News.